may be hard pressed to find 7 XU1s in the same place at the same time, but believe it or not, they're actually sitting in this shed at the moment. Not all of them being restored. Some have already been restored, some are waiting to be restored. I've just received the next one. This is a CK Bathurst Edition XU1 in Amethyst. If you come and have a look, you can see the colour here, which is it's like a metallic purple. Come around to the boot and have a look. So that's the original colour of the car. The car's actually in pretty good nick. There's some rust up here, if you have a look up here. A bit of rust in here, pretty common for around the windows, not too bad, but the rest of the car's in really, really good nick. A bit of history on these cars. This one was actually sent over to New Zealand, so it doesn't have the ADR tag. These cars are meant to have 3 tags, but they've only got 2 because they were exported. You only need 2 because you don't need an Australian design rules compliance plate on them. So this one's gone over the ditch, we call it, into New Zealand. And from New Zealand, it was raced as a rally car, I believe. It's got a lot of history to it. The owner's got a lot of documentation on this car. And this is one of 2 that were brought back a few years back, and it's now ended up here in Adelaide. It was driven down from Queensland, so long way to go, but this is where the restoration will start on this particular vehicle. It's now just been cleaned out and ready to go up to the panel shop. It heads off in a couple of days. Come over here. That's not one. By the way, that's an awesome New Zealand Kiwi stripe that they decided to put on there, but it's hardly got any body issues. We'll see what happens once it gets blasted. It's going over its history. Come over here. We've got the plum digger. This one's just been cleaned up. We're just marking out where we want everything fixed, and it's going to go in for a respray. Engine bay and boot will be done on this one, but I've just fully disassembled that. You've also got the 2 cars that I found in the shed. If you've been watching my videos, you've got an XU1 sitting over there, it's a shadow mode, and you've also got my Loner Ranger sitting over there as well. But if you come back over here, there's a finished LJ XU1 that I've done some work on. You might have seen some videos on that as well. And if we walk our way over to here, I'm on the Fords, not my cup of tea, but that's all right. I still dig chrome bumpers. And if I walk over here, I've got an acrylic painted LJ XU1, which is in liniment. So this as I was saying before, this colour came out on the LC range. Someone must have special ordered this car. And I'm working on the Loner Ranger, so I'll get this one finished off this week, get it back onto its wheels so I can then get it on the ramp and do some work, but I've got to do some work on this one first. So, you know, if we count them up, we've got 1, 2, 3, plum digger, 4, Loner Ranger, LJ XU1, 5, LC Bathurst XU1 over there, 6, and the shadow mode XU1, 7. So, not all being restored obviously, because some of them have been done, but plenty of work for me to do this year. It's pretty much nearly full here. So if you want to watch what happens with this one, you're going to have to watch these videos next, because this one will go off for blasting, and then I'll have a discussion with the panel shop around a few things, and I'll continue cracking on with rebuilding the orange one and the green one. So if you like these videos, hit subscribe, keep watching, plenty more to come.